Hi, I'm Kelly Francis Love, the archivist at the Museum of South Texas History. Welcome to another video about the unique objects and stories in our collection. The lower Rio Grande Valley has an ecosystem that is unique, unlike anywhere else in the United States. This subtropical environment is host to a wide variety of animals and plants. Today, we are going to talk about some of the more elusive animals in our area, the big cats. Historically, there have been 5 types of big cats found in the valley: the ocelot, the bobcat, the mountain lion, the jaguar, and the jaguarundi. The jaguarundi is a small cat, sometimes referred to as the otter cat, due to its long, slender body and short, round ears. They are slightly larger than your average house cat. The last confirmed sighting of a jaguarundi was in Brownsville in 1986. However, there has been talk of reintroducing them to their once native habitat. The jaguar is another big cat that has not been seen in a long time. As this newspaper article describes, this photo is of a jaguar killed on a ranch in San Benito in 1946. It was shot by Reynaldo Ramirez on San Jose Ranch, where it had been killing young calves. Though Mr. Ramirez had no way of knowing it at the time, this was the last documented jaguar in the valley. Mountain lions are still regular visitors to the valley, found at Laguna Atascosa National Wildlife Refuge and throughout South Texas brushlands. In 2018, one was found wandering through a neighborhood in Laredo. It was tranquilized and released back into the wild. Usually, mountain lions do not enter heavily populated areas. However, this neighborhood was close to the natural environment found along the river. As humans encroach on the big cat's habitat, interactions between humans and wildlife are bound to become more frequent. Bobcats are the most prevalent of the big cats in South Texas. Again, they do not usually interact with humans, but here at the museum we had our own close encounter in February of 2007. On a Sunday, a man entered the museum store and asked a staff member if a particular item was meant to be on display. The staff member looked up to see where he was pointing to see a live bobcat pacing along bookshelves. The museum was closed to protect the public. 2 animal control officers, along with local rancher Jim McAllen, captured the animal and relocated it to McAllen's ranch. It may have been an escaped pet, as it is unlikely that a wild bobcat would venture indoors or remain so calm around people. The final species of wildcat found in our area is the ocelot. Ocelots are considered an endangered species, but have found a haven at Laguna Atascosa National Wildlife Refuge. There are fewer than 100 ocelots left in the United States, and they are all in South Texas. One of the more rare items in the museum's collection is this Ocelot Pelt. It was seized by U.S. Fish and Wildlife agent John Sanchez at a border crossing in 2009. According to Sanchez, some experts believe illegal trade in wildlife or animal parts ranks 2nd or 3rd in scope behind traffic in drugs or weapons. Such items are often viewed as status symbols, especially if they are from a rare or endangered species. On a more hopeful note, we have this newspaper article with the late local rancher, Frank Uturia. Mr. Uturia passed away in November of 2018, but left behind a legacy in conserving the valley's natural landscape. In 2017, he was recognized by the Botanical Research Institute of Texas and awarded the International Award of Excellence in Conservation for putting thousands of acres of land into easements to protect endangered ocelots and other wildlife. Some of this land is now part of the lower Rio Grande Valley National Wildlife Refuge, which is a network of protected tracts of land throughout the region that have created a wildlife corridor where these cats can roam free. This wildlife corridor will help preserve wildlife and boost the local economy as ecotourism brings millions of dollars into the area each year. Thanks for watching, and please join us again online or on site at the Museum of South Texas History.